Artificial rain project to combat Delhi pollution. The Delhi government has been considering artificial rain through cloud seeding as a measure to combat escalating pollution levels in the city. IIT Kanpur has conducted pilot projects during the monsoon months, and the focus is now on the winter conditions. What is cloud seeding? Clouds are made up of tiny water droplets or ice crystals that form when water vapor in the atmosphere cools and condenses around a tiny particle of dust or salt floating in the atmosphere. Without these particles, known as condensation or ice nuclei, raindrops or snowflakes cannot form and precipitation will not occur. Cloud seeding is a weather modification technique that improves a cloud's ability to produce rain or snow by introducing tiny ice nuclei into certain types of sub-freezing clouds. These nuclei provide a base for snowflakes to form. After cloud seeding takes place, the newly formed snowflakes quickly grow and fall from the clouds back to the surface of the earth, increasing snowpack and stream flow. How do we cloud seed? The first experiments with cloud seeding were conducted in 1946 by American chemist and meteorologist Vincent J. Schaefer. Many substances have been used, but solid carbon dioxide, dry ice, and silver iodide have been the most effective for cloud seeding. Silver iodide exists naturally in the environment at low concentrations and is not known to be harmful to humans or wildlife. Cloud seeding can be done from ground-based generators or aircraft. Aircrafts are used to spray clouds with silver iodide to condense smaller particles into larger rain droplets, or a solution containing a small amount of silver iodide is burned from the ground-based generators. Requirements. During dry winters, when storm systems are absent for long periods, cloud seeding cannot occur because cloud seeding requires the presence of moisture-filled clouds. A minimum requirement of 40% cloud and moisture is necessary for cloud seeding. We also need wind directions that are conducive to transporting seeding material towards the target areas. Methods of cloud seeding. Static cloud seeding. It is the most commonly used method and involves spraying salt particles like silver iodide and chloride onto the clouds. The salt particles act as a condensation nucleus, drawing water vapor within the cloud towards them. Moisture will then latch onto them, condensing into water droplets. Subsequently, raindrops form, leading to rainfall. Dynamic cloud seeding. Dynamic cloud seeding is a method of inducing rain by boosting vertical air currents, encouraging more water to pass through the clouds. The process is considered more complex and less reliable than the static cloud seeding because it depends on a sequence of events working properly. Hygroscopic cloud seeding. This method involves spraying fine particles of hygroscopic materials such as salts through flares or explosives into the base of warm clouds. These particles can act as cloud condensation nuclei and increase the number and size of the droplets. It is a relatively new method that has been described as promising. It, however, requires more research. The significance. The intent or goal of cloud seeding is to increase the rain or snow precipitation, suppress hail, reduce lightning, or even dissipate the fog. However, it is an expensive process. In China, for instance, the country uses between $60 to $90 million every year on such weather modification projects. The cost of the cloud seeding experiment, as communicated by the IIT Kanpur team to Delhi's Environment Minister Mr. Gopal Rai, is estimated at Rs 1 lakh per square kilometre. The Delhi government has since given its approval to bear the cost of Phase 1 and Phase 2 of cloud seeding, an amount adding up to Rs 13 crores.